In this video, I will show you how to build a YouTube intro in 5 minutes using Motion Array. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. You need to make sure that you choose the right template. So in Motion Array, go to the search bar and type in YouTube intro. You can then choose the editing software that you will be using: Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve. So I will be using Premiere Pro. I can then scroll to the right and select See All. So now I have all the YouTube intro templates for Premiere Pro. On the left, there are more filters that I can choose. So I will scroll down and select Free Templates. So these are the 3 free template YouTube intros for Premiere Pro. Okay, so I'm going to download this one by tapping download in the bottom right corner, and my download will begin taking place. Once it has downloaded, open your downloads folder. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. What you want to do is drag that onto your desktop and then open Premiere Pro. So in Premiere Pro, you want to insert your new file. You will find the folder in your project section. You can open it and you will see Fonts, Help, Premiere Pro. You then want to drag the final edit file onto your timeline. And if you play it, you will see the template. You can then make changes to this, adding your own text, images, logo, music, and so forth. To do that, simply double click. You will then see the text open up, double click again, and you can then add your own text to this template. So now when I go back, you will see it will now say Kyle. So you can download these templates and change it to your liking. You can change color, font, text, images, and personalize it to your liking. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.